load problem. A cantilever beam 2 meter long carries 20 kilonewton at free end. Okay, so cantilever beam, okay, at the free end 20 kilonewton. So point B, the fixed point is A. So on the uniformly distributed load of 8 kilonewton per meter over the whole length, determine the slope and deflection of the cantilever at its free end. Okay, take E equal to 200 gigapascal and I is 50 to 10 power 6 mm power 4. So first problem split into two. Okay, one is point load, another one is uniformly distributed load. So slope A, B, okay, slope for this one is theta B, okay, theta B1, this is Y1, okay. Next slope is B and A, theta B2, this Y2. So here theta 1 Y1, theta 2 Y2. So using one shortcuts for solving this problem. So cantilever beam, okay, cantilever beam with uniformly distributed load, cantilever beam with uniformly varying load. Okay, so first W L squared by EI. Okay, this to find the slope. So 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. So multiply with this one, can get the slope of cantilever with free end load. Okay, multiply this one, you can get the, this is a capital W small, okay, W L cube, here L cube divided by 6 EI. Multiply with this one, you can get the W L cube divided by 24 EI. Okay. Similarly, if you want to get the slope means multiply with this one. Okay, 2 by 1 by 2 completed, so 2 by third of L into theta, corresponding slope 3 by, so 3 by 4th L into theta, 4 by 5 L into theta. Okay, here is point load. Okay, so theta equal to theta B1 plus theta B2. So theta B1 is end point load, theta B1 value is capital W L squared by 2 EI. So theta B2 value is uniformly distributed load value. So small w L cube divided by 6 EI. Okay, this is the value. Okay, the slope value means y equal to y1 plus y2. So y1 is at the end point load. So y1 is 2 by 3rd into L into theta. So 2 to 3 cancel. So w L cube divided by 3 I. So y2 means uniform distributed load. So uniform distributed load. So 3 into, so w L cube divided by 8 EI. Okay, so substitute the E I and load values, can get the values. Okay, so here slope W equal to end load 20 into 10 power 3. Okay, into L is 2, square 2 into Young's model is 200 into 10 power 9. I is 50 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 4, 10 power minus 3 power 4. Okay, plus small w is 8, uniform distribution 8 into L is 2 whole cube divided by similar one. Okay. So 6 into E is 200 into 10 power 9 plus into 50 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 3 power 4. Okay. So solve, you can solve both, you can get the value of 0.004 plus 0.001. So answer is 0.0051 radian. So next solve this one. Okay, capital W is 20 into 10 power 3 into 2 power cube divided by 3 into 200 into 10 power 9 into 50 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 3 power 4. Okay, unit conversion. Okay, W is 8 into L cube is 2 L cube 2 cube divided by 8 into 200 into 10 power 9 into similar one 50 into 10 power 6 into 10 power minus 3 for 4. Okay, so solve this both one, you can get the 5.3 plus 1.6 equal to 6.9 mm. Okay, value is mm. Okay, 6.9 mm for deflection and 0.0051 is slope. Okay, this is one simple shortcut. Okay, you only memorize W L square divided by EI, so 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by, sorry 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Okay, for slope deflection is 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 4 by 5. So, into L multiply with the corresponding slope. Okay, this is only enough for cantilever beam, solve any problem for cantilever beam. Okay, thank you.